Vitamin B12 deficiency, signs, causes, and how to fix it. Do you experience low energy, irritability, mood imbalance, feeling drowsy? Particularly in the early evening, carelessness, dizziness, or mind haze? If so, your body might be low in vitamin B12 levels, and you'll have to help it. Your body craves for B12 to keep your nerves and cells sound. However, B12 can't be made by our bodies alone. And plants don't make it either. B12 is just normally accessible in red meat and fish, where it's tracked down in overflow. That means if you're vegetarian or vegan, you're almost certainly lacking the right amount of B12 in your body. And even if you are supplementing, you may not be getting the full effect either. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin. Essential for red blood cell formation, neurological function, and DNA synthesis. It is primarily found in animal-based foods and is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve cells and preventing anemia. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because we'll reveal how you can boost your levels of vitamin B12 effectively, even if you are vegan. Here's an interesting fact. Did you know B12 is the only water-soluble vitamin that can be stored in the liver up to 5 years? So first, let's talk about why vitamin B12 is important. Functions of vitamin B12. The human body needs vitamin B12 to make red blood cells, nerves, and DNA. Vitamin B12 regulates hormone production and supports a healthy immune system. It's important for the functioning of the digestive, circulatory, and reproductive systems. Vitamin B12 is needed to convert carbohydrates into fuel that the body can use and metabolize 1:45 fats and proteins. Getting enough B12 can help you feel more energetic and have a better overall sense of well-being. How much per day? The average adult should get 2.4 micrograms a day. Like most vitamins, B12 can't be made by the body. B12 is found naturally in many common foods, including organ meats, shellfish, meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy. And therein lies the problem. Some people don't consume enough vitamin B12 to meet their needs, while others can't absorb enough, no matter how much they take in. As a result, B12 deficiency is relatively common, especially among older people. Getting enough vitamin B12 daily, and absorbing it properly, has been shown to help maintain energy levels, support better mood, support healthy heart function, support healthy thick hair and clear skin, aid in digestion by fostering a healthy environment for gut-friendly bacteria, boost the ability to clearly think, learn, and remember. How can you tell if you're deficient? Vitamin B12 deficiency symptoms can manifest in these ways. Signs and symptoms you should never ignore. Number 1. Tingling hands or feet. Vitamin B12 deficiency may cause pins and needles in the peripheral nerves of their hands or feet. Number 2. Trouble walking. Over time, peripheral nerve damage resulting from vitamin B12 deficiency can cause numbness in the feet and limbs, making it hard for a person to walk without support. Number 3. Pale skin. Pale or yellow skin, called jaundice, may be a symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency. Jaundice develops when a person's body is not able to produce enough red blood cells, causing megaloblastic anemia. Number 4. Fatigue. Megaloblastic anemia due to vitamin B12 deficiency may lead to a person feeling fatigued because there are not enough red blood cells to carry oxygen around their body. Number 5. Fast heart rate. A fast heart rate may be a symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency. Their heart may start to beat faster to make up for the reduced number of red blood cells in the body. Number 6. Shortness of breath. Anemia that results from vitamin B12 deficiency may cause a person to feel short of breath because of a lack of red blood cells and a fast heartbeat. Number 7. Mouth pain. Deficiency in vitamin B12 may cause a swollen, smooth, red tongue, mouth ulcers, or a burning sensation in the mouth. Number 8. Problems thinking or reasoning. Vitamin B12 deficiency may cause difficulty in thinking or reasoning, and memory loss. As a result of less oxygen reaching the brain. Number 9. Irritability. Being deficient in vitamin B12 can affect a person's mood, potentially causing irritability or depression. Number 10. Nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Vitamin B12 deficiency may lead to a person both feeling and being sick, and cause diarrhea as a result of insufficient oxygen. Number 11. Decreased appetite and weight loss. As a result of digestive issues, such as nausea, people with vitamin B12 deficiency may lose their appetite, leading to weight loss. What causes vitamin B12 deficiency? Vegans can develop vitamin B12 deficiency because they lack this nutrient in their diets. Alcohol consumption, even on a moderate level, can cause B12 deficiency. Drinking alcohol flushes B vitamins from your body and decreases absorption from your gut. Many people over 50 don't make enough hydrochloric acid in their stomachs to absorb B12 from foods, though they can absorb it from supplements. How do you know if you are deficient in B12? A simple blood test can diagnose a vitamin B12 deficiency. What foods can you eat to get enough vitamin B12? For vegetarians and vegans, it takes a conscious effort to increase your intake. Here is a list of foods that contain significant amounts of B12. B12-rich foods for carnivorous people. Beef, animal liver and clams, fish like sardines and tuna, meat, eggs, milk, and other dairy products. B12 foods for vegans. Fortified non-dairy milk, such as spirulina and chlorella seaweed. Wheatgrass juice, from freshly sprouted leaves, legume sprouts, like moon, peas, lentil. Root vegetables, like carrots, radish and turnips. Breakfast cereals. Nutritional yeast. Vegan spreads. Keep in mind that your body may only absorb 50% of the vitamin B12 it ingests. So it's important to monitor your levels as you adjust your diet or begin supplementation. If you have type 2 diabetes and take medication, have your B12 regularly checked to ensure you're getting enough. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your community, and subscribe for more health insights. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself. Until next time, stay healthy.